Now he's just stalking it. They're just staring each other down. Go get it! Rocco, go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Get it! Go get it! Get it! He's afraid of it. He doesn't want to touch it. Go get it. Go get it. What does he think it's going to do to him? Go get it. Go get it. Rocco, get it. Rocco, go get it. He's just looking at it. Go get it. Go kill it. Get the ball. Get it. Rocco, get it. Go 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 kill it. Kill the ball. Kill it. He's afraid of it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Now we're okay.
Oh, now he's bored of it because he knows it won't kill him.
Now we found a new toy.